Today we are having an information day with the farmers, all the stakeholders, RuVASA and auctioneers and other farmer organizations, including government. We are meeting to try and address the issue of foot and mouth.
I think the most important thing for me here is we are all together in the same fight. And it's very important that as state vets, as private vets that I am, as farmers that I am also, we stand together and we talk out of one mouth and make sure that we bring the same message over to everybody.
The buffalo industry is estimated to generate about 30 billion rand in foreign currency every year. So you can see that the impact on the buffalo industry, even in rands and cents, is a huge impact on South Africa. The other thing that I think is very, very important is the buffalo industry and the buffalo breeders provide work to people in rural areas where work is really a problem.
I think the place that South Africa finds itself in with regards to the absolute crisis and rampant veld fire that the disease is now running rampant through South Africa, we need to come up with solutions. Our minister needs our full support. Every one of the people that he appointed to the ministerial task team has their own skill set. We've got incredibly bright people in this country when it comes to this disease. We need to listen, we need to be proactive, and we need to be decisive. We must stop procrastinating. Procrastinating is going to get us absolutely nowhere.
Just want to quickly show you, this is the last year of how FMD has moved through our country, and you can see that it originally started in the north of Natal, and we can really see that this thing is it's like a veld fire. Don't you see that? It's just getting some speed and etc. and it's going quite well. So that's up to date unto yesterday. If we don't report, we don't know, and I think that's what we're addressing here today. We want to show you how important it is to join hands in sharing your information. Because if you knew this, if you knew you were picking up a bale of burning grass, would you take that back to your farm? Do we have any takers? And FMD may destroy so much of our economy that there's multiple business affected.
We are going to see prices unfortunately move up. The dairy industry has taken a pounding. The feedlot industry, which is the primary source of beef in South Africa, has taken a pounding. Unfortunately, the pig industry is now also feeling the consequences of this devastating virus.
We need the people on the ground to work together. We need the buy-in of the people. This will not work if it's a government forced down system. We need the buy-in of the people. The people need to understand that in the long run this will be good for them.
2 years down the line, people say, yes, we got the ball rolling, and that's why we are free today because of what we did 3 years ago, or 2 years ago. That's where we have to be. We vaccinated, we did our part, everybody did their part. We got the ball rolling. We didn't wait for state, we didn't wait for private, we didn't just do our own thing. We came together, we fought it, and we overcame it. This is what I want to hear in 3 years' time and say, thank you, Dario, we did it 3 years ago.